Hey guys, Seth here. I've been meaning to do this video for a while. It's a 6-unit bet. It's 6 streets, 18 numbers. It's even pay money. But the way that it's laid out, it covers the wheel pretty solidly. If you look at it right here, you can see the red dots. That's the numbers you're picking. And there's 2 ways of doing it. You can bet it this way, and then you get the negative side, which is the other way that I'll show you. And I'll show you how it's laid out. All right, say we're doing ETG. You do dollar units. You're going to do $2 on this double street here, $1 on the 22 street, and then $2, 13, 16 double street, and 1 unit on the 4th street. Like I said, 18 numbers, 6 streets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's do a spin. Okay, we got 33. I need a dolly. All right, use my charging block for a dolly. That's a win. So let's say these are losers. We win $10 here. So we lost 4 there. So we win 6 more. So what do we win? We win 6. You bet 6, you win 6. So like I said, $10. That's $10 there. All right, set it back up. And what I just set up was the negative side of this paper I showed you. This actual bet right here, I'll show you how that's set up. Now this is the negative side. You're gonna do the 0-0-0-2, 1 unit. You're gonna do 7-10 double street. You're gonna do 19 single street. And then $2 on the 25-28 double street. All right, and that's $6 right there. All right, let's do a spin. If the zeros are hitting a lot, this is the bet to do. All right, we got 26. So that is a win. We got right there. These lose. 2 pays 5. So times 10, like I said. We lost the 4 there. Add $1 plus 5. There's our $10. All right. I'll go back to the other bet. Now, the other bet is good if the zeros aren't hitting and you're hitting the sides a lot. So you're going to do 2 on 31-34 double street. You're going to do a dollar unit on 22 street, $2 on the 13-16 street, and 1 unit on the 4th street. All right, let's see what happens. So this is when the zeros are cold. You're going to play this one. All right, we got 26 again. So that is a loss. All right. I'm a big believer in chasing the winner. So what you do in this situation is you're going to martingale on misses. This is just like a coin flip. It's like a 50-50 shot. The only advantage, of course, of the casino is the 0 and double 0. So in this situation, it's not 0-0-0, but it is 2 numbers that the casino is going to get on this betting variation. So because 26 hit again, I'm going to go with that side of the bet to martingale. So now it's $4 on a double street. So we'll do $4 on 25-28, $4 on 7-10, $2 on 1916, actually 19th Street, excuse me, and then $2 on the 0, 00, and 2. So now we've doubled our bet. Let's see what our luck says. Hopefully it's in the 0, 00 neighborhood. We have 23. 23 is a loss. All right, so that's the other side. So we missed that. So now we have to martingale again. So rather than $4 or 4 units on a double street, it's 8. So now we can break into our reds. So we're gonna follow the winner. Do $8 on 3134 double street. $8 on 1316 street. And on the single streets, we're doing $4, which is the 22 street. And then $4 on 4th street. All right, let's see if we can catch this. I typically like to stay on one side of the bet. Like I'm either gonna do this bet here or I'm gonna do this bet here. There's only 2 ways you could do it. All right, so now we got the 30, so we lost that. Look at that, it's just like the casino. Every spin's a loser. All right. So now that hit on the 0 side of the bet, which is on here. So that was an $8 double street. So now we have to go to $16 double street. And we'll continue with following the winner. So there's 16 on 2528 double street. 16 on the 710 double street. And then we have to go $8 on the 19. And then $8 on the 0, 00, and 2. All right. Let's see if we can get a win here. And we have a 19, which is a winner. There we go. So $8. All right, so this pays 11, so that's $88 when winning. 88. So 1, 2, 30. This will take reds. Let's see. It's 40. All right, we'll take some whites. Fumbling around here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right, so that's 40, 60, and then we need 85 plus 3 is 88. All right. So what happened is we won all our money back plus our $6 original win that we were going for. All right. Let's do it one more time. Okay, we're gonna go back. We hit on the 19, so we'll follow the winner. 1 unit, 02. And if you're playing on a real table and it's like a $10 minimum, you got to double your bet. So it ends up being like a $12 bet. Or if you're doing a $25 table, you'll have to, I think, do 5 times the amount, which would make like a $30 bet. So that's a $2 unit, 7.10, $1.19, $2 unit, 25.28. Oh, that's fine, sorry. All right, last spin. Let's see what happens here. All right, so we got 32. 32 is a loser. All right, so that's it. I wanted to show you this bet. Like I said, there's only two ways of doing it. You're either betting for the zeros or against the zeros. Typically, I like to do against the zeros because I feel like those numbers aren't bet too often, especially like when it comes to ETG. I feel like those numbers hit more. And I'll show you one more time how it's laid out. So it's $2 on the 3134, $1 on the 22 Street, $2 on the 1316, and then $1 on the 4. That's my favorite bet right there. So you guys can try it out. You know, I played on the simulator on the phone on Roulette Royale app. Even though this is like a 50-50 chance of hitting, for some reason, I've been playing this probably at least a year. And on that app, I only hit maybe 20% of the time, and I miss 80% of the time, which is, it doesn't make sense. It's a 50-50, or it's like a 48-52, you know? It should be something more like that. But because it's an app, and it's not an actual wheel like this, you know, it's going to be skewed. But let me know what you guys think about this, and give it a try, whether it's on a real table, on your phone, or the ETG, and tell me how your results were. All right, guys, have a good one. Take it easy.